last week dear na wo hwe wo mo nsem da power power bia ka ye nyina social media ne nam so a ye hwehwe mu besi ne ewo ne edi we anu nsem aba ne edi we anu se eye Shatta ene eye Stonebwoy sa adwuntufo mienu no wo mo nsem ne beto eye ententen so wo mo mienu nyina ebo eye show e wo different host e we wo ne dia wo ye na we nso wo ne dia wo ye na hwehwemu party se ye be stop eye Shatta Wale se ye mane ye ne die e na Stonebwoy die course na Stonebwoy die no course no ne kasem na kwese wo kokasa tia eye Shatta Wale enti ntokwa no koye se eye Shatta fans any Stonebwoy so fans na ntokwa no anwa ye din ye papa na anwa ye din pa na ye penny pa owo Legon University wodi mu pa oye din wo hon ma wona no wo hwe ho a tese wo ye company for mu ka school ho etoto won se mane ye yia wono so wa betwa bo Shatta Wale na Shatta Wale se won fa ho se mame na nyi hye no no so de na no yie ai fata mame no ebebre no my auntie Shatta mra
the MP where they say into the Kokolam, he go make him kiddies go retire. That man leader or something, or he go make him kiddies go retire. And one day kiddies go to fight them. The examples I won't give to this thing be 25th December, we do want to show for stadium. And there we are say they say they no go fit give we the day again. Why? Would they ask you what be the reason? Like, why would they? Because we can book the days when they want to do on a festival and stuff like. Why? So they say president and daughter say make we know why we but maybe allow Stonebwoy make it come do it. I say I don't know why. Okay, Stonebwoy can't tell you something. You know, get the IQ for your head inside say okay make a call Shatta too because they want to be Ghanaians but what they are saying but apparently when they go to these people Shatta Mbo Amason and now Kofimbo Amason but the statement be oh one do show for stadium and Shatta say you know go make we do for there so he won't fight we then they'll go talk mobo make the thing look like Shatta there were bought them because stadium no it my father will buy the blocks. Stadium, my father will bring water, sand. My father will bring mortar. My father we can build stadium for Ghanaians. Then so blindly, then you go hear somebody go talk say, but why is Shatta doing that? But if he's doing a show and he also wants to do a show, why is he stopping you? Why is he saying he won't allow you? It's the stadium for my father. But because these grown-ups, this president and daughter, he don't know how to solve problem. So he go to, no, you can go and do it. Let me call the stadium director. That's why they sack the stadium director. Let me call the stadium director. The dean he did the Legon, they go sack him. This you that they do after this you that they go sack him. They go change him for them. Make somebody mark with me. Why you no go talk? So make a call Shatta to and ask him what be the problem because this thing somewhere they tell me say he won't do show for that. We I say I no go allow make you do show for that. We all be Ghanaians. So what be this nonsense stuff? Make us, you know, as Shatta, you just take decision. Kofi, I must say Kofi Abonason, and to there, Kofi now book Kofi. We Jimmy, we your parents are we Jimmy. If you be grown up like that way, they do that thing. We Jimmy. I know they insult you with all due respect, but we Jimmy. Because Jimmy, this thing, how do they call him? Jimmy Adrian, because you are not even entitled to be even a parent or somebody will go fit solve problem like Jimmy because Kofi be catch am be catch say Kofi Abonason into so GG because Kofi the owner Kofi the child to fista Kofi the bad boy wo fie Kofi enti what decide ama enti be bo ama. Later, this president and daughter in PA can call me and my manager Sammy Flex. The woman say, how we did? Because right now the matter they go out say, no, if you go do show for stadium, the time where we want to do show, we need 3 days to set up and do this show. That be why we say no. The time where Stonebwoy pick, go ask if they hear those explanations for internet. That one they won't speak to me. That one they won't speak to me. That's how I no go speak to one. Because I say, they just can't lie to you as a parent and you just decided that, oh, I be Shatta there, I be the way you can do for internet there, oh, Shatta there, Shatta, the red, Shatta, be doing the internet, it's like that, Shatta Wale, never recover internet, and you come baby, it's all to be bad. Shatta Wale, Shatta, I do it, we have to stop it, why is he trying to stop Stonebwoy from doing the show? Why is he saying you allow Stonebwoy? Ghana be my own. Ghana, idea and I say, what did they call Ghana Mensa? Why grown up men like small kiddie? Then they play with your mind. They into they believe. They into they walk out there. They look like, oh, I get it. Well, Stonebwoy, you don't get anybody. You don't get anybody for Ghana here. Me, the current president, my father. If in daughter do wrong, I go talk to in daughter. I know the fear in daughter. When in daughter make mistake, I go tell her because it no be disrespect. It be wrong way the girl do. The president daughter, it be wrong way she do. Because the things where people go tell her, it make it hard cut. Why? Why is Shatta saying that? And Shatta has not said that. But this woman was so blind and wasn't smart enough to say, okay, let me call Shatta to ask him the matter of this whole thing. Make like grown-ups. That's why the country, people they make the president the alone they tire. Because the people around the president, around him and everything, nonsense decisions where people they take for the president. If the president's daughter, nobody say you know being daughter. But how come somebody go fit call you? Then you go fit take that decision. Say, oh, make Shatta no do the show. Why is he saying he doesn't want you to do? Why am I saying I don't want? Did you come and talk to me? You are not a smart parent. You are a dumb parent. You are a dumb parent. Fast forward. I dey go do show for TF hostels. People can pay me. Myself, I add money to them, so maybe they take brand my shaxi and things for the students and things. That day, myself, I won't surprise one of the students for them, give them one car for my company and take them like influencer. TF, the reason why I did go there again, see, the time I played Taking Over, that be where I go perform for, that be where the song even blow for more. That be the first day we perform Taking Over, me and my boys. So I said, oh no, it be great opportunity. Right now, as we get some songs where they circulate to as well. Let me just go and lighten it up for them. I never even make statement. My very first video that came out was a video from my office with a guy who can contact me with me at Accra and Solo. So let's do this. It'll be a great time for us. But you did there as the dean of students, where they can't tell you things. Say and Shatta, and this be the information and they make everybody they know. That's why I ask of parents. That's why I talk of parents. And if you did the way your parent did like that, and if you talk to your parent, if they tell you say you are disrespecting, tell them, mommy, you are daddy, you are being stupid, mommy, you are being silly. Because the mindset you have can't grow this family. When I finish, I'll come back to my family and let you people understand why sometimes and if you talk boldly like this and I don't fear anybody in face. They can't tell you say and Shatta. Because you people flyer out first, Shatta one can't spoil you people a show. Because I dey use bulldozer. When I dey walk, I dey use bulldozer. If I dey go toilet, I dey use bulldozer. If I dey go fuck, I dey use. I go shake the hole, I go shake the hole. Then the light and bulb and the fluorescent tube go fall on people. Then I go turn the hole like this again and shake them and and parents, hey, the dean where you did Legon there, no, you make very silly mistake. Maybe you don't meet me before. That's why when he can't tell you about me, they say, yeah, it's true. Shatta, when I watch him on the internet, the way he's angry and the way, no, I'm just being real. I'm just being
Shatta Wakasa. ekuyentwa akra